Every time a Fast and Furious movie comes out, it's tradition that I go with the original Team Paradox to go watch it. This time, it's story time, guys. This time I decided I'm gonna take this car because it's the most reliable so far that I have here, that looks the coolest, that's turbo, to go see this movie. So let me tell you what happened. Okay, this is like, it's really weird that this happens on the day I go and see in Fast and Furious, but so I took this car, right? And I'm just going down the freeway, just cruising along, doing my thing. And then at some point when I got close to the theaters, the power just started cutting out. It was just literally like, I gave it gas and it was just, I was like, what the hell? Like, when you're driving like these cars, and it's not like one of the new cars, you gotta always listen, right? If it sounds weird, you better pull over because some shit is about to happen. So I gave it gas and nothing happened, and then the power started dying. So what I did was I immediately started cutting over, and my signals don't work on this car, so it's literally like, I go now.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
And I cut off this SUV. I made it into the off-ramp, and at the top of the off-ramp, the car totally dies. When the car died, it was right around the corner from like these gas stations. So luckily, I'm like probably 100 yards away from this 7-Eleven gas station. So I'm trying to fiddle with it and trying to figure out what the hell is going on. I turned the key, nothing. The lights I can turn on, so I thought the battery was okay. And maybe it's like I ran out of gas or something, because my boy Corey, he was smashing in this car the other day. All right, we got Corey Mo at the house. Let's get a pull, baby. Oh, he still got it. He still got it. And the gas gauge doesn't really work that well. So I thought I was out of gas. So I'm stuck on the on-ramp and I'm trying to diagnose what's happening. I don't know if my boy like used up all my gas and I ran out of gas. And then the gas gauge doesn't really work that well. So I went over to the 7-Eleven. I got one of these things, right? And I'm sticking it in here and it doesn't work. So right here, I'm on the side road. I got my gas tank and I'm undoing these screws by hand with like a key. I didn't have a Phillips head. Next time I'm gonna always carry a Phillips head because this thing doesn't fit into there with the over fender. So I had to undo this screw here, and one down here, just to get this over fender off so I can put the gas in. I put the gas inside and then I turn the key, nothing happens. I'm like, damn! And it makes that sound where it's like, like, you know the sound it makes when your battery's low and it won't start. So I think it's the battery, so I push start the thing down to 7-Eleven. As I push start it around the corner and it goes downhill, luckily, I jump inside and I pop the clutch and it started. But then it died again when I got to the gas station. I had to buy some jumper cables from the gas station. Luckily they had some. And then some nice guy jumped me, and then I went around to the other gas station. Like I did a U-turn because I figured maybe it's working now, and then it died again. At this point, I'm just like sweating bullets, and I'm like, oh man, I have to like hike it all the way across the intersection, like 3 blocks down, just to get to the Walmart, and then grab a battery and then like haul it all the way back. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm already dead tired from pushing the car a couple of times. And this is when one of you guys came and saved me. I ran to a subscriber. Check out this footage. All right, y'all. Broken down, Paradox stranded. We got my man right here. What's your name, bro?
What's up, Matt? Matt Saudi.
Matt.
Yep.
Matt happens to pull up at the gas station, and he watches the channel. You're a Mike follower?
Yeah, I follow Mike. I see that you wrap all his cars, yeah, so I started following you, man.
Hey, thank you. Matt's gonna give me a ride with his baby in the back.
And my wife, she's back there too. We out to Walmart.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah, so I think the battery's busted because I jumped it, and then it went, and then it died. So I have enough fuel, even though my fuel gauge isn't
Let's
exactly.
get that new battery, man.
Yeah, so I think if it's the battery, then we'll start it and it will work. It might be my alternator. I don't know.
We'll have to see. Hopefully not. I think a new battery will get that shit kick started.
Cool. All right.
Get you home, right?
I know. Look at me. I've been pushing this thing like I pushed it from over there.
It's 106 degrees out here right now, man.
I know.
It's good that you didn't have it tomorrow. It's gonna be 113 tomorrow.
Woo,
So.
woo. All right, let's do this. Oh man, you want me on the channel?
It's okay.
No. All right. Hey. This guy's so nice, man.
You can totally record, but
Okay. Yeah.
You can put the baby on this channel.
They're so nice. They got the baby in the back and
Right?
the wife and everything.
Let's go.
Yo, appreciate it.
No problem, man.
I was about to hike it over to Walmart.
Hike it over there, man. Would have been a brutal hike. It's not far, but
And you know Paradox always in sandals.
it's hot. I know, every time, right? Fuck.
Yo, that's dope.
Dude,
What-
this is say I'm
Hey,
happy to help
hey,
you out.
thank you, man. I appreciate
Even
it.
if it wasn't you, I'd be. I like helping people out. You know. It's just-
No, man, don't put strangers in
it's
your
just,
car.
It's just good karma.
that was kind of my first
Yeah, I
thought, to be
know.
honest.
I know. I'm over here like thinking my wife's probably like, oh man,
that's okay.
putting strangers in the car, but
You guys know who I am.
this isn't your average stranger. If anything, I'm a
Dude.
stranger to you.
Hell no.
You're
Hey.
putting a lot of trust in me right now.
It's okay. It's okay. If we get kidnapped, it'd be even better episode.
Let's go viral.
We're recording this. All right, looks like we got a winner.
Winner, two. Yeah.
Hopefully. I mean, it looks smaller than the one I have.
guys real fast.
Does it look smaller, really?
But it's fine. It should be plenty.
What's your crank on it?
I don't know. Is this the strongest crank?
570, yeah. Well, I got a 700 over there.
Let's do 700.
All or nothing.
Okay.
huh?
Let me get these guys.
Why not?
Go big or go
Hey,
home, man.
when
We're
you
not
got
trying
it
to
in
go
the
home.
trunk, bro.
Oh man.
When you got it in the trunk, let's go big. Now,
Alright.
if it's the alternator, then you know, whatever. But we'll see. My man, he brought me back. So we're gonna test out, see if it's the battery. But
We're back.
since he did such an awesome job taking me to Walmart, full tank of gas on me, bro.
Dude, don't even worry about it. dog.
No. YouTube will pay for it.
All right, shoot. You
Yeah.
can pay
Let's
for it. Fill her up.
Fill it up, baby. All right, let's test it. Okay, let me set you up. Look at that, We're hooking my man up on the business account, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, it's all good. The IRS pays for
Everybody,
it.
you put out good karma will come back to you.
Hell yeah, thank you, man. Hey,
Nah, dude,
it
no worries.
totally beats me.
It was my pleasure,
walking.
dog. Hell yeah, got you.
Okay, hold on. Where is it? Oh, done. Okay. 91, of course.
Let's do it. Fuck it.
Oh, you have to, man. You
have
gotta
to,
take the
yeah.
premium
Gotta
gas.
take care of the Honda.
All right, here you go. Fill up, bro. Fill
go.
up.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Hey, hell yeah, no problem. You got it.
Get us
All right,
around.
I'm gonna test this battery out.
Let's go.
New battery in. Let's see what happens. Okay. Uh-oh. Is it my fuel pump? Uh-oh.
Sounds like it's not getting fuel. Okay, it started.
It started. We'll let it idle for a little bit.
It might either be like your fuel pump or maybe your injectors or something.
Maybe.
It's tough to tell. I mean, you definitely, it's cranking, so I mean, get that out of the way. Was it cranking like that before too, or no?
No, I needed a jump for it to crank. Alright, let's see.
Sounds healthy right now.
Sounds healthy. If it idles for another like 10 minutes, I think we'll be fine. Alright.
Sure.
Hey, thank you, brother.
We did it, dog.
Hey, you gotta take a thumbnail with me.
Okay,
Thumbnail?
definitely, yeah.
Thumbnail for me? Alright, stand right here. Okay, hold on.
Wait, how's the thumbnail work?
The thumbnail is where the title's gonna be, this dude, or my subscriber saved my car.
Okay.
Or something like that.
Yeah.
So right here. Just stand next to the car. Oh man, my hair is going crazy. Mad stressed out. I finally made it to Studio Movie Grill. This is the place up in like Rockland, Roseville, north of Sacramento, where we're gonna watch the Fast 9 with the original Team Paradox, my boys. But they're all out of the scene now. They drive trucks and SUVs and stuff like that. They're not about this life anymore. But anyway, thanks, huge thanks to my subscriber once again for for taking me all the way over to the Walmart, which is like way over there. I would have been hiking it. Ooh, hiking it, and nah. That was gonna be a nasty, nasty hike, especially when it's like 100 degrees out here. But luckily the 240 seems to be working just fine now. I just turned it off and then I turned it back on and it seems to be fine. Hopefully it's just the battery, it's not like the wiring or anything like that. The fuel pump was running, so it's not the pump, so that's good. Anyway, wish me luck, guys. We're gonna come out of this movie and hopefully I don't go home in the tow truck. That would be bad because it'd be like 9 p.m. All right, let's start this up again and see what happens. Ooh, the Black Widow. I kind of want to see that. There it is, guys. We're here.
You can't be busting out.
Man, where were you guys at, huh? I was just stuck on the freeway, pushing it myself. Had to go get gas, get a new battery. Where was you at, huh? The Buster picked me up and took me to Walmart.
Yo, Dom, hey man, we were just about to go looking for you, brother.
Where were you?
There were masked cops here. They came in from every direction. That shit was orchestrated.
Yo, Dom, why'd you bring the Buster here?
Cause the Buster kept me out of handcuffs. He didn't just run back to the fort.
The Buster brought me back.
That's a good one. That is a good one. That's fantastic.
The original Team Paradox, y'all.
Right. The original Team Paradox.
But they don't have cars no more. They just got trucks and they listen to country music.
We got American shit.
America.
American shit.
America.
You got shit that runs.
Don't worry. Paradox will do an American build soon that runs. Coronas.
You could have any beer.
Wait, what do they say? What do they say in the movie?
You could have any beer in the room as long as it's a Corona.
You can have any brew you want, as long as it's a Corona.
Corey used to have an SI, right?
Civic Si 99.
Ooh, 99.
The original.
That's dope. You gonna get it back?
No.
All right, y'all. There it is. We made it back home. So, yeah, it was just a dead battery. Like, it's weird. Like, I've never seen like I mean, the battery can die on you anytime, but I've never seen one just like go kaput in the middle of you driving. When a battery dies, your alternator is still charging while the car is running, and then once you turn it off and you try to turn it back on, that's when it won't work. But I've never seen a scenario in which while you're driving and the engine's running at full speed in like 5th gear on the freeway, that it would just lose power. So that's really weird. For now, it's running. I drove all the way here and then I turned it off and I came out this morning. I turned it back on, backed it up just fine. It's just like before. So cross your fingers, guys. Pray for the 240. The movie though, come on. Whoever is writing Fast and Furious, they are hella high. They're like, you know what we should make Tyrese and Ludacris do? Yeah, let's do that. Once again, huge thanks to my man for picking me up and helping me out with this 240. I really appreciate it. I really can't thank him enough for like taking time out of his day to help a brother out. And the fact that he's a subscriber, super dope. Okay, so hopefully you guys don't see me break down anymore and you guys will see me at the shows instead. But if you see me on the side of the road, honk, say something. Paradox can always use your help. So until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this episode. It's kind of like a vlog style. And if you watch Fast 9, leave in the comments below what you guys thought about the movie. I don't know. I don't know about this one, guys. They really need to just come out with a plot that makes sense. You know what? You know what I think we should do is like all the car people, including the YouTubers, should just pull all of our money together and make like a new Fast and Furious with new characters that is actually has a plot line and not some like ridiculous like car superhero movie. Because come on, man, that is so unrealistic. Go back to the car scene, bring it back to where it was at and how it inspired all of us to do this. All right, until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.